Hello, my name is Calvillo and I am majoring in accounting.
Let's begin by highlighting your Amazon Walmart columns. Then we're going to hit insert and we are going to choose a line chart. This one's fine, that one works. Okay, so we are going to click into select data and everything seems right. So we want to get rid of the year on our line chart. We're going to take that away. And now as the horizontal category axis labels, we're going to click it right here. And what we want to do is we want to add on the years. And in order to do that, we're going to collect the years with cell A2 all the way down to cell A32. Now we're going to hit OK. And here we have our chart, how we want it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stretch it out a little bit and it changes the years on the horizontal axis. Now let's go ahead and make that a little smaller. We're going to go ahead and change that title and let's go ahead and change it to Amazon versus Walmart annual revenue. And here we have our line chart that is showing us use the forecast linear function to predict each company's revenue for the year 2045. This function is helpful because it uses historical data to estimate future values based on linear trends. We are going to select Amazon historical revenue values followed by the years those values correspond to. So we're going to do that by going into cell B34. We are going to start typing and then here it shows up, forecast.linear. And I personally like to use this formula builder just because it makes it a little easier for me and that way I don't get anything wrong. So A34. Next, we're going to put B3, B32. And that selects all of Amazon's data. Next, we're going to do A3, A32. And that is selecting the years. Okay. So now we are going to press enter. And here you see that it's giving us a value of 860.07. Next, we are going to do the same thing, but for Walmart. So let's type up forecast in here. And again, I like to use the formula builder. We are going to enter A34, which is the year. Then we're going to enter C3, C32, and A3, A32. Enter. After we press enter, Excel calculates an estimated revenue for 2045. Functions like this are often used by businesses to support forecasting, budgeting, and long-term planning. The forecast linear function is commonly used in business for budgeting, sales forecasting, financial planning, and identifying future trends based on historical data. Next, I'll add linear trend lines to both data series. We're going to click chart design, add chart element, trend line, linear for Amazon. Okay, we're going to select the linear, go into format legend. We're going to click onto the line here. We're going to click for 20 periods. We're also going to select display R squared value on chart. This tells us how well the trend line fits the historical data. Now we're going to repeat the same steps for Walmart so both companies can be compared using the same forecasting method. Displaying both trend lines on the same chart makes it easier to compare the projected growth patterns of Amazon and Walmart. We have both of our charts. I'm going to rename this chart linear trends. Finally, I'm going to compare the two forecasting methods using the R squared values displayed on each chart. The R squared value measures how well a trend line fits the historical data. The value closer to 1 indicates that the trend line provides a stronger fit and better represents the data. After comparing both charts, the polynomial trend has a higher R squared value. This indicates that it's a better representation of the historical revenue patterns for these companies. Because of this, I would choose the polynomial model when forecasting future revenues using the database. While no forecast can predict the future with complete certainty, comparing different forecasting models helps businesses make more informed decisions based on historical trends. Forecasting tools like these are valuable because they help organizations plan for future growth, create budgets, allocate resources, and support strategic business decisions. This concludes my demonstration of forecasting in Excel using line charts, the forecast linear function, and trend lines. Thank you so much for watching.